back with the Lexus IS200 2003 model. So what we're doing right now is we're going to change the reverse lights to these LED reverse lights. So first what you want to do is open these clips using a panel popper or a screwdriver, a flathead. So we're going to use a flathead screwdriver to open it. Alright, that's the first one. There's the second one. Make sure you keep them on the side so you can put them back on later. Alright, so you can either use a 10mm socket wrench or a Phillips head screwdriver to open these bolts. It is a bit windy today, so sorry about the noise. There's the second one. Alright, now so you gotta gently take the tail light out. Just make sure you don't drop it by accident. Then there's wires attached at the back, so be careful not to pull it. So here are our lights. So we're going to be putting this bulb in. It's got a lot of LEDs on it. So just pull it out and you can just pop this one in. Alright, now we can go test it before you close it, or else that'll just be an extra job for you. Very bright. Alright, so we checked and the bulbs are working. So we'll just put it in how you took it out. Just the same way, pop them back in. Make sure they click. Just turn them sideways. Alright, so that's it. Now just make sure you put this part over here. Make sure it goes right in there.
There's another one.
There's another one over here. That goes right there. So be gentle. Alright, now we just put the screws back in. So these ones. So make sure you don't lose the washers as well. And then just put the second one back on. Make sure they're tight, but not too tight because you could ruin the thread. Alright, perfect. Now let's do the second one. So we're just going to do a test of the lights and the differences between both. As you can see, this one's really bright compared to this one. So just as we did on this one, we just do the same procedure over here, and you should have your result. Alright, thanks for watching.